Our time in Thailand is coming to an end, but we just had one of the best days of our trip and possibly our life in Chiang Mai. We visited an elephant sanctuary and had it all to ourselves. Having enjoyed the beaches of Ao Nang, the island tour of Koh Samui and the chaos of Bangkok, we were looking forward to taking things a bit slower in Chiang Mai while still indulging in the local activities. We tried our hand at a Thai cooking class, got among the elephants and ate some tasty dishes at the night bazaar. Good morning, so we have made it to Chiang Mai.
It was a 10-hour bus journey, and after eating something dodgy the night before, it was quite a long one.
Tom's tummy was a little bit dicky.
But we are in Chiang Mai, and we're going to do some washing, or drop it off, head for some breakfast, and other than that, we're going to see what Chiang Mai has to offer. So this is where we've chosen the Hana Cafe. Hello.
Thank you.
So after a bit of a wait, it has arrived.
It has. We've got eggs Benedict with bacon. So, shall we do a taste test? Firstly.
Oh, it looks good. You get a bit of everything.
Nice. We then went to a local cafe to do some social media stuff and prepared for our Thai cooking class. Good morning. So we're just waiting for our cooking class, but we've just seen a cat and it's got the biggest testicles in the world, doesn't it, Tom?
They're out of proportion if I've ever seen them.
But we don't really see that in England because they all get neutered. But this cat, I mean, you were gobsmacked, weren't you? So we are on the first steps of our cooking tour.
We've chosen what we want to eat, and now it's time to find the ingredients
you get
for it.
quite a lot. You get an appetizer, a starter, soup, a curry, and a drink and a dessert. So quite a lot. So we're just going around the market and learning about all the different ingredients that we're going to be cooking with today. How do you feel, Tom?
I was just saying to Lauren, I can't cook with English ingredients, so how am I going to have a chance with all this Thai ingredients?
Tom literally nudged me and he goes, "You actually enjoying this?" I was like, "Yeah."
I'm sure the cooking bit will be alright, but that was very boring. After a coffee to liven up a bit, we made our way to this beautiful outdoor kitchen where Tom was giving everything a try.
If you want to try this one, you can take one and taste. Everything here is organic.
No one else is eating it. Oh yeah.
Do you like it?
I'm alright, thank you.
Yes, we also eat in fresh spring roll and salad. No flavor.
We then cracked on with some cooking. Whilst our chicken in the pan was marinating nicely, chickens outside the pan were causing chaos. Just leave that there.
That's soaked in egg.
It's a tissue paper.
The cooking class continued and so did the eating. We highly recommend coming on an empty stomach.
We have finished.
We're tired.
Too full. Eating too much food. We'll see you when we've digested our food a bit more. Been good though, in the end.
After the cooking class, we went out with some friends to the night bazaar. We didn't film this, but when we went back later in the week, we will show you what it's like. So, big exciting day today. We're on the way to see the elephants.
So I think we're getting picked up in about 5 minutes, and then I think it's like an hour's drive, isn't it?
Yeah, we've done it a bit differently. Our friends, Katie and Andy, recommended this guy and he basically takes you on this tour. So we reached out on Instagram and we've been able to get a bit of a discount as well, but we're super looking forward to it. We're a bit nervous though, aren't we, Tom?
We are actually excited now.
Yeah, we've never seen something this big before, so yeah, it'll be interesting.
So we've got changed into some sort of swimsuit. Lauren's also doing the same next door. We'll go see her now. We didn't know what we were doing. Are you coming out? Yeah. Suits you. Suits you. Fit check. We're ready to go see the elephants now. It's just us two, by the way. There's no one else here.
Yeah.
Including our tour guide.
Yeah, where's he gone? There's one which has just come to greet us straight away. Where is he? There he is.
Oh.
Hanging baskets are gone. As soon as we came up, he was happy with these.
Chaos straight away.
Choosing the right elephant sanctuary in Chiang Mai can be tricky, as you want to make sure it's 100% ethical. We feel like Lana Kingdom Elephant Sanctuary was a good choice. Oh my gosh. Oh, they are hairy.
They are hairy.
Tell you.
There are no fences here and it's a big open area for them. They stick around as they're treated very nicely and well fed. They eat 10% of their body weight every day.
So we're here with Chiba.
You literally can just chill with them. This is
This is a nice talk.
a nice experience. He just like says, yeah, we'll come and have a stroke.
He's like, I'm just going to go to the bathroom, so you just wait here. We're like, are we going to be alright here? But
He seems pretty relaxed. He's busy eating. He says that they have one meal a day, all day.
oh, Tom, you go first.
Go on,
you go first.
Oh, what's this?
Eh?
Crossing leg.
Oh yeah, chilling because they're standing all day. So.
Oh, so he's like...
He's relaxing.
Yeah, relax.
There are 5 female elephants here, and after getting changed into your swimwear, you are educated about each elephant's history and how they have all been rescued. Look at you.
I know.
What's that? You ran out? Yeah. Oh. Oh. Yeah, it looks busy earlier.
Is she going to spray me?
No.
So do they drink it?
Yeah, they drink it.
Wow, you're thirsty.
Oh, I didn't know they'd do that.
Wow, you are so clever.
No, we're going again. Oh,
What's that?
did he think the hat was the banana basket?
Oh, I wonder why you came over like that.
Now look at her. No food.
They are a mixture between ex-logging elephants, where they would drag logs all day long, ex-circus elephants, where they are taught to do tricks by hurting them if they do it wrong.
Or ex-riding elephants, like our favourite, Chaba, who arrived with a broken back.
It was horrible to see their history literally scalded into them. One had a star and a 365 pressed into her with a hot iron.
Others had holes in their ears, where ropes would be threaded through to direct them.
Ah, go on. Shall I go?
Yeah,
You can change, remember? Yeah, I'll put it on your face. No, her face.
Put it on her face.
Yes. On the cheek, on the head.
Does she like it?
Yeah. And then peace.
Does that mean they like it?
This cost £105 and we had the whole place to ourselves. We booked privately with a tour guide on Instagram. We will leave a link to the sanctuary and the tour guide's Instagram page in the description.
That's okay.
That's fine.
The other thing is we don't want to push them. We go to the regular bath.
So they bring them just once and then that's it. Because they like it, but not for that long.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so they bring them over once and then they won't do it again, which is nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Have you ever jumped in the pool with elephants?
No.
And we have brush and bucket for you.
Ah. So I brush them. So do you just throw water?
Yeah, right.
Oh!
Whoa! Wait. Sunglasses.
Oh no, where is it? Oh no.
Let's go down here. Down.
Oh. I wasn't going to do that.
That's why I'm calling him. You're welcome. That's why you get changed.
Yeah.
Oh, your bag.
Yeah.
I don't want to use that.
No. This looks well good. Oh. Just what we need after a day's graft at the elephant sanctuary.
Good morning, homies.
So we're actually checking out of this hotel and moving into another one 12 minutes away, which has a pool.
Big
'Cause
journeys.
we're going to try and have a couple of cheap days, as the elephant thing costs like 105 quid. So a pool just helps you relax without having to go out and spend money. So that's the plan of action. We're all checked in at our new hotel, and it's nicer than the last one, but it's more expensive. This came in at about 23 quid a night, but it has a pool. So we're at
The Chiang Mai Night Bazaar. So we came here the other day with our friends that we've made in Bangkok, but we didn't vlog any of it at that time because we just wanted to spend some time with them, didn't we?
We did.
But we've come back because we're a bit peckish, and they had a really, really good like food selection.
There's loads of clothes options, but there's also loads of food options. So we're gonna have a look at the food options and hopefully
And the clothes options.
find something tasty. There's stuff everywhere. You can have massages.
Oh.
We're okay, thank you.
Massage for you.
No, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, we've been here.
Come back here.
Yes, we will. Thank you. Food's this way. There's loads of food stalls. This looks well nice. Hello. They do scorpions. Not fancy a
I'm hoping
scorpion?
they're all fried.
What are they? Oh, prawns. Hello. They look alright. Look at that. Fruit. We can have some fruit.
How much is it?
How much?
50 baht.
Not too bad.
We paid 100, didn't we?
Yeah.
In Bangkok.
Yeah, that right space. Bit of live music. Cocktail bar.
Naan, and we're just going to share it. Is that alright? Thank you so much.
So we've gone for a butter chicken and a peshwari naan. Looks good. Not bad, is it? Decent start.
It's like different.
It's very different, but we're going to find something else after this.
We just want to have like loads of little bits.
A little bit of everything. All together now. I can hear you at the back there.
In the moon.
Could have a game of pool.
Whilst having a cocktail.
Yeah.
Whilst having a coffee tea.
Yeah, game of pool. Also, wait, Burnley game outside.
You what?
Huh? Someone say something. Hello.
Can we have chicken? Is it 5 for 50? Yeah.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Please.
What, do we know what these are called yet?
Gazawas.
Huh?
Gazawas.
Gazawas. Yeah, that sounds
I
right.
think so.
And it's chicken in what?
Like a pastry.
And what's the sauce?
A black one.
Lovely. So what? Come back again. What's the verdict? Why are you looking around for inspiration? No one else can tell me what it tastes like.
It's different to what I thought it would be.
Not good. That means not good. I can read the body language. Oh. Nah, she's not happy. I'll end up finishing these, no doubt.
No, I like it.
Oh, she likes them.
Yeah?
Yeah, looks good. Oh. I think we've just missed our spot. That's us done for tonight. Time for me to go home and watch a bit of the football, hopefully.
I don't think it's going to happen, do you, Tom?
We're gonna watch
That
it
is
together.
literally my boohoo skirt.
Where?
Yeah.
Is that the same as yours?
Yeah.
No, you don't have it on.
The next day we made our way to Pai on the bus, which everyone dreads. It's known for travel sickness, so we bought some tablets just in case.
But that's it for this week, so we hope you've enjoyed another video.
Once again, like and subscribe if you would like to. That would be absolutely fantastic, but no pressure if not.
And we'll see you next week in Pai.